Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear student, this is your subject teacher of science and today I am here again with exercises of chapter number 12, that is going into space. So my dear students, as you know that the explanation of this chapter is completed now. And now in today's video, we are going to discuss about the exercises of this chapter. So are you ready? So take out your textbook and your stationery along with you. Let's do the exercises of this chapter. Now students, open page number 106. Before starting the exercises of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, here let us say it again. Space is beyond the layer of air around the earth. So my dear students, as you know that space is beyond the layer of air around the earth. And next point is the force of attraction of the earth is called gravity. So students, what is gravity? The force of attraction of the earth is called gravity. Next one is space rockets are used to escape from the earth's pole and enter into space. So my dear students, as you know that astronauts use spacecraft to enter into space or go into space. Next is there is no air or water on the moon. Thus there is no life on the moon. Next is space travelers give us information about space. The last one, that is two Indian women have traveled into space. And my dear students, you know very well about these two Indian women. Can you name them? Yes, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. These two Indian women have traveled into space. Now students, let us answer. Question number A. Take the correct answer. So students, here 3 options are given in each question. You have to choose the correct one. Okay? So let's start. Beyond the layer of the earth is. So student, as you know that here in first point, space is beyond the layer of air around the earth. It means here answer will be option number B, that is space. Okay? Now question number second. They were the other two astronauts who traveled in the spacecraft with Neil Armstrong. So students, here you have to name the other two astronauts who traveled in the spacecraft with Neil Armstrong. So here options are Edwin Aldrin and Kalpana Chawla, Michael Collins and Sunita Williams. Third one, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. So students, option number C, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the question number third. Astronauts wear special suits that contain a supply of. So students, you know very well, astronauts wear a special suits that contain a supply of air because for breathing they need air. So this special suits contain a supply of air. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Now students, question number 4. Kalpana Chawla died when she was. So my dear students, as you know that Kalpana Chawla was died on 1 February 2003 when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. It means here option number B, returning from space, is the correct answer. Okay, so students, 4 questions is completed now. Now let's come to the question number 5. If your weight on the moon is 7 kg, on earth it will be. So my dear students, this question is related from your subject maths. So students, you had studied about the topic fraction in your maths book. So first of all, let me tell you that since the gravitational pull of the moon is less than that of the earth, you will weigh much less on the moon. So if your weight on the moon will be 1/6 of your weight on earth, it means if you weigh 30 kg on earth, you will weigh only 5 kg on the moon. So my dear students, to know the answer of this question, first of all you have to solve this. And in mathematics, you had already studied about fractions and you know very well about fractions. So here, to find out the weight on the earth, if your weight on the moon is 7 kg, first of all you have to find out 1/6 of your weight on the earth. So here three options are given: 41 kg, 42 kg or 43 kg. So students, here correct answer is 42 kg. Now let me tell you how 42 kg is the correct answer. So students, we can label 1 upon 6 of 42, okay, of a whole number. To solve the problem, we multiply the numerator by whole number. So students, you know very well this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So to solve this problem, we multiply the numerator by the whole number. So students, you have to multiply numerator by whole number. It means you can multiply 1 multiply by 42, okay, upon 6. So students, here 42 upon 6, and when we divide this we get 7 as the answer. Therefore 1/6 of 42 is 7. So like this, here option B 42 kg is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's come to the question B. Answer these questions. So students, let's come to the question answer of this chapter. So look here. First question is, why is there no moon? Why is there no life on the moon? Students, as you know that there is no air or water on the moon, thus there is no life on the moon. So in the answer of this question, you will write because there is no air and water on the moon. Now let's come to the question number 2. What do astronauts do in space? The students, in the answer of this question, you will write astronauts conduct experiments inside the spacecraft in space. So what will the answer here? Astronauts conduct experiments inside the spacecraft in space. Now let's come to the last question from this chapter. When did Kalpana Chawla die and how? So students, in the answer of question, you will write Kalpana Chawla was died on 1 February 2003 when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. So students, here what you will write? Kalpana Chawla was died on 1 February 2003 when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. So students, this was the answer of this question. So these two exercises is completed now. In our next video, we will discuss about the remaining exercises from this chapter. So students, you have to practice of reading and write all the exercises that is given in your WhatsApp group as a PDF form, and don't forget to learn all the exercises from this chapter and read this chapter very carefully and underline the hard words from this chapter. So students, I hope you understood all about the space by the help of this chapter, and I'm sure that if I ask questions from this chapter, you will be able to answer them. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Here, note for you: